In this video, we're going to go over how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. So if I were to give you the example 7 over 3, and I told you to convert it to a mixed number, how would you do that? Well, we basically first need to divide 7 and 3. And how do we do this? We need to see how many times 3 will go into 7. So we can do this by listing a few multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. You see that 3 will only go into 7 2 full times. And so our answer is going to be 2, and then we have a remainder of 1, because 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So that means that our whole number is going to be 2, because 3 goes into 7 2 times, and then our remainder will be our numerator, and our denominator will never change. So our final answer is going to be 2 1/3. Let's try 2 more problems. But for these, pause the video and try them on your own. For the next problem, say I were to give you 11 over 4. And I told you to convert it to a mixed number. How would you do that? Once again, it's simply 11 divided by 4. And how do we do this? We need to see how many times 4 will go into 11. So we can list the multiples. You get 4, 8, 12, and 16. You can see that 4 will only go into 11 2 full times. So our whole number, once again, is going to be 2. And then 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So our remainder is equal to 3. So 2 and 3 over 4. Now let's try one last problem. And again, pause the video and try it on your own. But this time, say I were to give you 17 over 5. And I told you to convert it to a mixed number. How would you do that? Once again, it's simply 17 divided by 5. We can list the multiples of 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. We see that 5 will go into 17 3 full times. So our whole number is going to be 3. And then 17 minus 5 is equal to 2. So our remainder, or our numerator, will be 2. And then our denominator stays the same. So it's going to stay as 5. So our final answer is 3 2/5. So a key tip is that the denominator stays the same. Only the numerator changes to the remainder. And a common mistake is don't change the denominator. I know I sound redundant, but I can't emphasize it enough. The denominator will always stay the same. I hope this video helped. Thank you.